All right, guys, listen up. Did you know that working out at home can actually boost your testosterone levels more than hitting the gym? That's right. Whether you're a busy dad, a guy on the go, or just prefer the convenience of working out at home, these exercises are for you. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome fitness tips, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with a classic push-ups. This exercise is like the king of upper body workouts, working your chest, shoulders, and triceps all at once. But here's the secret: proper form is key. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, fingers pointing forward. Lower your body down until your chest grazes the floor, keeping your core engaged and your back straight. Imagine a straight line running from your head to your heels. This helps prevent shoulder pain and ensures you're targeting the right muscles. Push back up with power, squeezing your chest at the top. Remember, quality over quantity, lads. Start with a few reps and gradually increase as you get stronger. Next up, we're going to unleash your inner superhero with the mighty plank. This isometric exercise is all about core strength and stability. Get into a push-up position, but instead of lowering down, hold your body straight from head to heels, resting on your forearms. Imagine your belly button pulling towards your spine, engaging those core muscles. Keep your back flat, avoiding any sagging or arching. This is where it gets tough, but you got this. Hold the plank for as long as you can, gradually increasing the time as you get stronger. Chapter 3, Squats. Unleash your leg power. Get ready to unleash your inner power with squats. This compound exercise works your entire lower body, including your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Keep your back straight and core engaged as you lower your hips down as if you're sitting back into a chair. Make sure your knees track over your toes, but don't let them go past your toes. Push through your heels to return to the starting position, squeezing your glutes at the top. Remember, proper form is crucial to avoid knee pain. Start with a few reps and gradually increase the number as you get stronger. Chapter 4, Burpees, the ultimate full body blast. Get ready for the ultimate full body blast with burpees. This exercise is a combination of a squat, push-up, and jump, making it a fantastic way to torch calories and build strength. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower down into a squat position and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Kick your feet back into a push-up position. Do a push-up, then quickly jump your feet back to your hands. Explosively jump up into the air, reaching your arms overhead. That's one rep. Burpees can be challenging, but they're incredibly effective. Start with a few reps and gradually increase the number as you get fitter. Chapter 5, Mountain Climbers. Get your heart pumping. Get ready to get your heart pumping with mountain climbers. This exercise is a fantastic cardio blast that also works your core, shoulders, and legs. Start in a high plank position with your wrists directly beneath your shoulders. Keep your core engaged and your back flat. Now drive one knee up towards your chest as if you're running in place. Quickly alternate legs, keeping your body stable and your core engaged. The faster you go, the more challenging it becomes. Feel the burn. Well done, champs. You've smashed those 5 amazing home exercises. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Try incorporating these exercises into your routine 3 to 4 times a week. What did you think? Which exercise are you most likely to incorporate into your routine? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your mates so they can join in on the fitness fun too. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos packed with awesome fitness tips and tricks. Now go out there and smash your fitness goals.